Wes's got a dark shadow on him. It's a bit stiff here. The angle Wes is there, he's not going to put lower down. It looks like.
So that's debunked.
Well, I see it could be a third mark on the wall. Something quite clear. Yeah, that's about it.
Does that take video as well then?
Aye.
That takes video as well then, does it?
Yeah.
What, camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same sort of as it last week.
Yeah, it's been a long time. That's lasting longer than that bloody thing.
Just the shadow.
And that was full charge earlier.
That's about it.
We're doing that. No, don't. No, we're doing that. Do that up.
Well, it won't go on.
Slide your nail up.
Batteries and
That's held on the bottom.
Yeah, so it's
That's on. That's ready.
Down 12 minutes left at the moment.
that was fully
No,
charged.
why don't you just,
Aye.
I've not used this and that's already gone flat.
Fully charged, that can pull the battery. That's
Yeah,
all
that's
it's
90
black.
minutes left. I have. And the other battery's gone. Last week that held up.
Okay.
That held up.
Taking any pictures then? Oh, George, take pictures of the floor again.
Sure.
No, I've just switched it back on because it turned off. I tried to take a picture and it switched off.
So possibly
Batteries are charging that. I've done them earlier.
Well, it just keeps switching off as soon as I try and take a picture.
Is there an EVP in here?
try it.
You have an idea. Do one in here, George.
Quite cold in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then I suppose it would be.
Like it's low the end.
Oh,
Well, do one in here.
now you let me take a picture. I suppose, now you've gone, haven't you?
Yeah, that's one good thing these are handy for, mate. Just leave your EVP drop.
Oh, it was noisy down there. That was pretty quiet last week, actually.
What makes me laugh is I had 98 minutes on here, but I only filmed 24 minutes. How come that is? We must have been longer than that in them rooms.
The cold drains them as well though.
What, cold's draining them?
The cold does drain batteries.
What, all of them? Every one of them?
Yeah, battery's a battery, isn't it?
Well, we've been out in the snow, mate, nice, and they ain't done that much to that one.
Mine lasted longer.
Yeah, last week, mine lasted.
Would have been colder
Twice
last
as long.
week because we've had like higher temperatures, haven't we? This week.
But I know the cold will take the life out of batteries.
It's only cold because the spirits are making it cold, but they won't show themselves to us.
Well, it might have done, you don't know.
So you didn't know last week until you got home, did you?
Until we got back.
No.
We didn't know.
No, no, for fuck's sake.
I don't know what the hell's just happened there. I really don't.
Nothing until we
What?
got back last week.
That's what I'm saying. So
It
you-
went totally out of focus.
Yeah, 9 times out of 10, the camera will try and focus.
No. Alright, I'm not moving. It's not going to do it now. It went just out of focus, couldn't see nothing. For a minute, it's just started to go dark and then it come back out again.
Come on, do it again. Show us how clever you are.
Well, at least that's debunked.
Yeah, that is, yeah. It's got the same picture version.
No, perhaps you're not clever. Perhaps it was just a fluke. If you can't do it again, I mean, obviously you're not as clever as I thought you were. Do we have any spirits in here with us tonight? Oh, nice broom. Might take that home with me.
minutes.
Hey? You got what?
I said I've had that broom for 33 years. Said knocking handles for 30 years. Have you got any fork handles? Fork handles?
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, fork handles.
Well, the spirit in the boiler room, please stand up. Please stand up. I think it's because I'm here.
Hey, I was just thinking there.
That's scared of you. Karen.
Negative energy.
Too much
Kerry.
negative energy.
What?
I
Negative?
think-
What does that mean?
Come on, stop.
I haven't said.
Stop
It
Kerry,
means-
stop Kerry being closed mind. Go and touch her. Tap her on the shoulder. Show to her that you're really here.
You don't open your mind up.
I have. I'm waiting for something to happen. I'm scared, but I'll wait for it. I'm waiting for it.
Go and tap Kerry on the shoulder.
But what are you scared of, Kerry, if you don't believe?
The unknown, isn't it? What it will present itself as.
What it was in life.
Who's flashing me?
Is yours done?
Well, my battery's just going into the red.
I've got a full battery.
You used it.
I have.
I've got 13 minutes.
I've done about 100 pictures. What have you done?
Where?
Two.
106 pictures of the same
No, I
bit.
didn't. Loads.
Oh,
Come on, let's have
Took
spirit
every
come
bit of this
forward
room
and
up,
touch
down.
Kerry.
I'm going on that.
Let her open her mind right up.
I have been saying in my mind things.
Shit, don't believe you there.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm like,
They're all mad. They think you exist. I don't. Come on, prove to her that you're here. We know you exist. Prove it to Kerry. Come up and touch her on the shoulder.
even if it did, I'd dismiss it, I wouldn't I? Be like, oh, could be this, could be that.
Come on, why Kerry's facing all of us and she can see we're not doing it. Touch her on the
Ooh,
shoulder.
I've got a bit of mist in mine.
Yeah, it's probably that.
Oh,
You do with your breathing when you've done it.
oh no.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Probably got a bit of
Sorry,
mist.
I've got
No.
12 minutes. What you got?
Well,
I've got 4.
yeah, probably
Everyone's
because
sort
you've
of
just done that. I took a picture and a big.
Yeah.
Virtual
So that-
recording night then,
that's the
because
fun then.
everybody's like, go and see what we've got,
Yeah.
if anything.
Totally gone now.
You're like a touch key.
What was this room used for? Storage room, tiny. Tell us what was put in
I
the
like that, don't you? At least
Well,
you
at
can
least
still
I can
use
see,
it.
yeah, I can
Yeah,
see.
still
I mean, I
use
can
it.
see all that wall there. I can see where they are. I can see the back wall of the stairs. So yeah, it's, I mean, it's still can use the camera. Do you know what I mean? So
Camera's off on better, isn't it?
the only thing is
boss think it's okay.
You have to have a light.
yeah.
They're not being funny, some of them, they do have lights on anyway. Not total darkness.
54020.
Can you imagine walking through there in total darkness?
Hey,
Can you imagine walking through that light in total darkness?
yeah, no, who said that, mate?
It was the squeak. Did you hear that squeak?
No.
What like that? What?
Right, we're going to leave you in peace as soon as you've drained all our batteries.
Yeah, one's definitely gone.
Except mine.
We didn't use it.
I did.
That's all right, but they just kept switching the camera.
My torch kept going on and off, didn't I? Didn't it?
On that
Right,
room.
home coffee.
We wish you good night.
No.
We'll come back and see you again sometime.
Yeah, when you come out. Sends a postcard.
is a over and out. Or could be.
Let's see what we got.
Moon. Half moon. Full moon.
It's drained every battery, even the camera.
Still eclipse. There's loads of stars. I'm not saying loads. Now, that bird. Quite misty, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, next time I'm going to put one on.
Oh, I'm not getting
Yeah.
hooked up.
One and just have one as a spare.
That's it.
Yeah, because they both look really quick.
I've got Wes, got the light.
That way. They really went quick.
Oh!